Butcher, and this is week 3 of Parli-Pro tips. Today we're going to go over the 3 parts of debate. So the 3 parts of debate. So the first part is the beginning statement. You need to be aware of if your motion is positive or negative. So say you have postpone indefinitely on your card, you need to be against it because you are trying to kill that motion with the postpone indefinitely. So you cannot have positive debates with a postpone indefinitely motion. The positive debates are more of like a recess. A recess doesn't have to be positive or negative, so you can choose which side you want to be on. But you need to be aware of if your motion is going to be against the main motion, because that means you have to be against it, and you can be counted off if you debate wrongly. Okay? You need to figure out how you feel about the motion. So say you have one of those motions like recess that could be either for or against it. Figure out if you want to be for or against it, and if you want it or not. So say you have your pro and it's benefiting the chapter, be for it. Or you think there's too much, be against it. You need to figure out and decide, okay? So say you have the pro statement. So your beginning statement has to be something like, I'm strongly in favor of this motion because, then you go into your middle statement. While if you are con, it needs to start something like, I'm strongly against this motion because, or vote this motion down because. You have to give what side you're on, whether that be for or against. You always start with that in your beginning statement. In your middle statement, so the second part of debate, you need to provide evidence. So you need to have thought, reason, or delivery for that certain motion, okay? I tell my kids to pick a specific thing that they would debate on every single time. So I would work with your students and work with your team on saying, hey, I'm going to talk about this every single time, whether that be for or against it, so that every kid has something different, okay? So your pro statement would be, I think that this specific motion will increase effectiveness within the community with building relationship. Or a con would be, we have too many fundraisers or activities during that time, we have so little kids, we're in a small town, etc. Okay, you need to give evidence on why you are for or why you're against it. If you do not, your debate just breaks down, okay? Finally, your ending statement. So you're wrapping it up with a whole nice big bow thing, okay? You need to have a reinforcement statement, and you need to tell what you want your peers to debate as. So say you're debating here, and my chair is over there. You always have your debates pointed at the chair, okay? You never talk out to the audience. You have to go, I'm not in favor of this motion because. You don't speak out to the audience. Pretend like they're not there, okay? So say a pro reinforcement statement at the end. Let's all get behind this motion and vote yes, okay? You need to say, yeah, we're amazing. Try to convince your other people and try to get them to vote the way you are. Or on a con, let's defeat this motion and vote no. You need to be assertive, and you need to be assertive either if it's pro or con, because your overall effectiveness in a debate is how convincing you are. If you're just sitting there and like, yeah, vote no against this motion, it affects our community. That's not going to be a good debate, okay? So when you put that all together, and for example, as a con, I'm strongly against this motion. We have too many events in November. We cannot have another fundraiser and it would be spreading our kids too thin. Please vote no on this motion, okay? Short, simple, sweet. I believe about 20 to 45 seconds per debate. Remember, you need to keep your stuff moving. If you are too slow and go dawdle and dawdle and dawdle, you won't seem as effective. Also, you'll waste time, okay? Debating is one of those things that is very important in Parli or Parli-Pro or parliamentary procedure, whichever state you're in. If you do not have good debates, you will lose. If you do not do good on a test, you will lose. You need to know your stuff and you need to be practicing. We have a debate circle where I just throw in something and tell them to pick a side, pro or con, and debate. Try to give a debate every single time that's a little controversial, as in saying only senior members go to state convention. Those little members, those younger members, will fight. And the senior members will fight. You need to give them something that they can start to learn how to debate and be effective in their debates on. Okay? Next week, we'll be going over subsidiary motions and what they are and giving a few examples of how to say them. Okay? If you have any questions, please email me at alowinger@usd395.org, and see you next week for more Parli tips.